Media Labit presents The Interrogation Chamber. You will soon hear a play in binaural 3D sound. Please note that this purely fictional play contains some pretty scary and violent scenes. Do not listen to it if these things can be bad for you. Hearing the 3D sound effect is easy. You just have to put on a pair of earphones. Make sure that you put on the one marked R on your right ear and the one marked L on your left ear. For full effect, close your eyes, turn off the light and screen, and relax. Good luck in the interrogation.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم يا شباب؟ معاكم نواف من قناة مستر جيمر. رجعت لكم في فيديو جديد. طبعا يا شباب زي ما قلنا لكم راح بإذن الله بدينا من القناة من اليوم. اليوم جايب لكم بس أصوات 3D بنجرب في القناة. أصوات يعني أكشن وزي كذا، يعني تسمعون أنتوا الأصوات. أتمنى يا شباب إنكم تتبعون التعليمات اللي هي أول شيء السماعة، لازم تكون لابس سماعة. الرايت خلها الرايت، الليفت خلها الليفت. زي ما قلت لك خليك مستقيم، جالس في مكان مستقيم، لا تتحرك نهائيا عشان تضبط معك الأصوات. بعد ما يخلص الصوت راح نحط جيم بلاي سنايبرات خفيف كود 9. وهذا اللي كان عندنا. أتمنى يا شباب يعجبكم المقطع، لا تنسوا لايك سبسكرايب وفيفريت. وهذا اللي كان عندي، مع السلامة.
Let you live, but you won't stand the torture that is yet to come. Just don't say a word.
Shut up, you filthy Hungarian scum. You're lucky to be alive. In Soviet Russia, we would feed you to the bears at least 2 days ago. These goddamn Americans don't even know how to torture people anymore.
I do not pay you to make insightful comments, Bruno. Please, resume your position in the corner.
You know I'm right.
While I tend to our new guest. No, you are awake. Good. I have been wanting to speak with you for quite some time now. My, how are the mighty fallen? Bet you didn't expect to end up like this, huh? You have been down here a long time. You must be parched. Let me get you some water. It's bottled, but what can you do in this country? Unfortunately, there is only enough for me. But you look like a really tough guy. I've heard about the trainings they put you guys through. Delicious. Take Bruno here, for example. His training back in Russia involved killing bears.
With my bare hands.
No pun intended. Well, to be honest, I still have to figure out exactly which training you went through. To that end, who do you work for? Silence, eh? Well, I did not really expect you to answer that question. Fortunately, we have ways to make people talk around here. Bruno has brought some toys back from the old country. Now that is gruesome and painful. Bruno, you really have outdone yourself this time.
Thank you, boss.
I, however, shall not partake in this gruesome and barbaric business. I leave that to Shaw from Detroit. Bruno, open the cage, will you?
Okay, boss. I mean, I killed bear.
Bruno, not paying you for this.
I know, but he afraid to bear with hands.
Hello, my Bruno.
Hello, Sean. How do you like the cage?
It's bigger than the last one. No, Bruno, make sure our guest stays alive. You know how sure he is.
Yes, boss.
So this is the guy? Ain't much of you. You're the silent type, right? They're all silent in the beginning. Like my wife. But they're all silent in the end. Like my wife. So we got some toys here.
Yes. Got new toys from home country.
Russian stuff, eh?
Best quality.
Best quality, yeah. Oh, let me see. Oh, nice. I'm gonna cut your tongue. I'm gonna cut your ear. But first, I'm gonna cut your hand. You thought that the first thing that I was going to do was to stab you? No, I like to play with my food. Well, speaking of food, there's a cheese grate down here. You hear the sound of that, sweet baby? Oh, yeah. Well, maybe a cheese grate would be too...
Cheesy.
No, too juicy. Yeah, too juicy. No, I know. A saw! You know what a saw is? I know my father knew what a saw was. I taught him. Oh, wait. Hang on a second. Ishvan, you've screamed enough, haven't you?
Yes, I have. Yes.
No, not in that way.
Oh, no. Before you see the light, you must die.
Yes, it's the right tool. The right tool for you.
Wait a second. I smell bacon.
It's the police!
Police, get down on the ground!
Oh man, I gotta get out of here.
Go right that way. I think they got shot. We gotta get out of here, Bruno.
I don't run from police. Police run from me.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رجعنا لكم من جديد من الأصوات للبلاي ستيشن. طبعا هذا هو الجيم بلاي. الجيم بلاي قديم وعدت لكم الحين. طبعا يا شباب، والله ما فتحنا هالقناة إلا لأجل الوناسة، وتكفون يا شباب. لا تنسون أن إذا فتحتوا أي مقطع لنا من القصص لا تنسون أنكم تقولون بسم الله، وسماعات ضروري يا شباب. سماعات هذا ضروري مرة، لما راح يضبط معك شيء إلا بسماعات. وبكيفك انت اذا تبي تسمع بدون عاد براحتك. بس هذا اللي كان عندي. بخليكم مع الجيم بلاي، ولا تنسون يا شباب زي ما قلت لكم ادعمونا، لايك، سبسكرايب، وفيفرت.